Hello students, today I am going to start question number 2 of exercise 12.1. Now question number 2 says, identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. So here in this expression we have two terms because in between minus sign is there, so that means plus and minus sign separate the terms. So here we have two terms. Okay, one is x and another is minus 3. So at first we will have to identify the terms. So the terms are, one is x, another is minus 3, and we will have to show the terms and factors by T diagram. Now see here, x and minus 3, these are the two terms in this expression, because when we combine these two terms we will get an expression, right? Now we will have to find the factors of the term. Okay, now we know that a term is a product of its factors. So here we have got this term by multiplying 1 and multiplying by minus 1 and 3, because when you find the product of these two will get this term, isn't it? Similarly, when you will find the factors of x, it will be 1 and x, because when you multiply by 1 to x will get this term. But we never write 1 because we know that 1 is present in every term. 1 is present in every term, with the variable, with the constant, 1 is present, right? So it will be, factors of x will be x and factors of minus 3 will be minus 3. Now coming to B part, in the B part we have 1 plus x square. So here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. So let us write the term at first. So it will be 1 x and x square. So what will be the factors of 1? Factors of 1 is 1 only, right? So factor of x is x, because when you multiply by 1 we get this term. Now what will be the factors of x square? Here x is present twice, so when you multiply this, when you multiply x into x, we will get the term x square. So this term we have got by multiplying these two. So that means term is a product of the factors. Okay, so here x square term we have got by multiplying two factors, which is x and x. Okay, now coming to C part. The C part we have y minus y cube. So here how many terms are present? 1, 2. So here is y and minus y cube. These are the two terms, right? Now here the factors of y is y only, because if you multiply 1 to y will get y. Y multiplied by 1 is y, but we never write 1 because we know that 1 is present in every variable. So the factors of y is y itself. Now we will have to find the factors of minus y cube. So here we have minus 1, because see, minus 1 and how many times y is present? Power is 3. So 1, 2, 3. So y into y is y cube, and y cube multiplied by minus 1 is minus y cube. So here we have got minus 3, minus y to the power 3. So the factors of minus y to the power 3 will be minus 1 and y. Okay. Now in the next part we have 5xy square plus 7x square y. So here again we have two terms. So let us write the two terms at first, which is 5xy square and 7x square y. Now the factors of 5xy square. So how you have got this term? 1 is 5, then 1 time x is present. At first we will write the number. Okay, so here we have 5, then x, and y is present twice, so 1, 2. So 5 into x into y is 5xy square. So we have got this term by multiplying this all. These are the factors of 5xy square. Okay, now we will write the factors of 7x square y. So at first we will write the number, so it's 7. Now x is present twice, so 1, 2, and then we have y. So when you multiply this 7 into x into y, you will get 7xy, x square y. Now coming to e part, in the e part we have 1, 2, 3. Total 3 terms are present. So 1 is minus ab, then 2b square and minus 3a square. Okay, now we will write the factors of minus ab. As minus sign is present, so it will be minus 1. Because if we write only ab, that means the factors of ab will be a and b, right? But if it is if minus sign is present, then minus 1 into a into b is minus ab. So we will have to mention minus 1 here as the factor, and then a and b. Now if you multiply this, if you multiply a into b is ab, and ab multiplied by minus 1 is minus ab. Now we will write the factors of 2b square. So factors of 2b square is 2, and b square is present twice, so it's b and b. So 2 multiplied by b is 2b square, and lastly we have minus 3a square. So at first we will have to write the number. So here we have minus 3. Okay, now a is present twice, so a we will have to write twice. So these are the minus 3a and a. If you multiply, we will get minus 3a square. Okay, so here what we have learned, that plus and minus sign separate the terms. Okay, in the expression plus and minus sign separate the term, but into and divide do not separate the term. So here we have got, like in this question we have got 3 terms, and after finding the terms we will have to write the factors. And what are factors? To get the term, factors to be multiplied, means if you find the product of the factors, you will get the terms. Okay, now coming to second part. Now question number 2 says identify terms and factors in the expressions given below. So here we will have to identify terms and factors, but here we don't have to make the T diagram. We will just identify the terms and factors in the expression given below. So in the first part we have minus 4x plus 5, and as you know that plus and minus sign separate the terms, so here we have 2 terms. One is minus 4x and another is 5. Now we will have to write the factors. So to find the factors, we need to see that by multiplying which number we have got this term. So if you see minus 4x, then what will be the factors of minus 4x? If you multiply minus 1 and 4 and x, then only will be getting minus 4x, because 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 and minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Okay, so these are the factors of minus 4x, because we have got this term which is minus 4x by multiplying this all. Now we will have to write the factors of 5. Now factors of 5 is 5 itself, because when you multiply by 1 we get 5. When you multiply 5 to 1 we'll get 5. So 1 we never write, we can write the factors of any constant term is the constant term itself. So here factors of 5 will be 5. Now coming to B part, the B part we have 2 terms. One is minus 4x and 5y. So what will be the factors of minus 4x? It is same like previous one, so it's minus 1. 4 and x, if you multiply you will get minus 4x. And the factors of 5y, how we have got 5y? If you multiply 5 and y, then only you will be getting 5y. So the factors of 5y will be 5 and y. Okay. Now coming to C part. So the terms of these expressions are 5y and 3y square. So it's 5y and 3y square. So the factors of 5y is 5 and y, because if you multiply these two, you will be getting 5y, and the factors of 3y square. So factors of 3y square will be here. See, y is given twice. So 3 comma y. So 3 multiplied by y into y is y square. So it's 3y square. Right? So these are the factors of 3y square. Now in the D part we have two terms again. One is xy and another is 2x square y square. Now what will be the factors of xy? Here xy is present one time. So the factors of x and y, factors of xy will be x and y. Because when you multiply these two, when you multiply x and y, you will get xy. Now we'll find the factors of 2x square y square. So the factors of 2x square y square is 2, and x square means 2 times x is there and 2 times y is there. So y into y is y square, and x into x is x square, and will be multiplied by 2. So it will be 2x square y square. So these are the factors of 2x square y square. Okay. Now coming to E part. In the E part we have PQ and Q. Two terms are there. Okay. So PQ and Q. Now here P, how we have got PQ? By which number you have multiplied to get this term? It's P and Q. Because when you multiply P and Q, you will be getting PQ. And the factor of Q is Q itself. Factor of constant means, like here we have got 5. So factors of 5 is 5 only, because 5 is multiplied by 1 to get 5. Similarly Q, with Q1 is present. So 1 we never write, because 1 is present in all the terms, right? So here we will just write factors of Q means Q itself. Now in the F part we have 1.2ab minus 2.4b plus 3.6a. So here we have three terms. One is 1.2ab, then minus 2.4b, because with 2.4 minus sign is there. So minus 2.4b will be one term, and the third term will be 3.6a. Now we will have to write the factors of 1.2ab. So it will be 1.2 comma a comma b. When you will multiply this all, we will get 1.2ab. Okay. Now we will have to find the factors of minus 2.4b. So here minus 2.4b means when you multiply minus 2.4 with b, will get minus 2.4b. Right. And the last one is 3.6a. So 3.6 will be multiplied by a to get 3.6a. So these are the factors of 3.6a. Now in the G part we have 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4. So the two terms are 3 by 4x and 1 by 4. So the factors of 3 by 4x, what will be? How you have got this term 3 by 4x? It's when you multiply 3 by 4 to x, will be getting 3 by 4x. Right? And how we have got this 1 by 4? The factors of 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 itself, because when you multiply by 1, we get the same number, right? So the factors of 1 by 4 will be 1 by 4. Now in the last part we have 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. So here we have two terms again, 0.1 p square and 0.2 q square. So to get the factors, we'll just break this number. Like here we have 0.1 comma p square. Here we have been given p square. So p square means 2p is there, so p comma p. So p comma p means when you multiply p and p will get p square, and p square multiplied by 0.1 is 0.1 p square. Similarly, to get the factors of 0.2 q square, we'll just multiply 0.2 to q and q, because q and q is q square, and q square multiplied by 0.2 is 0.2 q square. So this way we will have to find the factors of the term. Okay, so this was all about question number 2. Thank you, students.